Oh yeah, I know, dude, right?
One of these things, 0 to 60 in 5 months. Yeah.
Got them tail lights.
This is pretty sick, man.
I know, right?
Well,
There you
don't
go.
worry about a flat.
Yeah, that's true. Had to worry about busting a wheel though.
Wooden spokes.
I
Yeah.
don't think it goes fast enough to bust them. So
I don't think they wouldn't do that.
this thing's rolling. All these guys think they're awesome with their 20 feet.
Check this out. So, it starts in Chicago. That's where we were for breakfast. And then we're going to end in Pontiac. And then it's going all the way down. Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona. And then it ends in Cali. Right there. It's a long road trip.
We've done it.
If you guys have been on Route 66 before, drop a comment where you've been and let me know what was there and any cool things you see. Pretty cool. What's back here? Got a beautiful car. What's that?
Yes.
I know.
This is cute.
Now, is that something you can see driving an autocross?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
You've got a really short wheelbase.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not a lot of horsepower, so you wouldn't have to worry too much about over driving the rear tires.
Right.
I think that is that the shifter right there on the outside.
Yes.
Probably
Looks like it.
sequential-
Yeah, it does.
Maybe like a sequential force box or something. This thing would be money.
Oh, I know, right?
If that's the shifter, how's that playing in the ball?
Good question.
Parking brake?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe it's the horse.
The transmission, which you're literally sitting on the drive shaft. I mean, literally, you're sitting on the drive shaft.
That's the
Yeah.
shifter. Yeah, that's the shifter. Definitely.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's a good thing it's a short drive shaft and it shouldn't break.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. You gotta think that's like the fuel cutoff right there.
That?
Yeah.
That might be fuel or it might be power.
It could, yeah. I can see that.
Nice short wheelbase.
That's pretty cool.
Not very wide track.
I like these chairs. These chairs are really awesome. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? If you guys know what kind of car this is, drop it down below in the comments. I'll give you a hint. It's a Chevrolet. So you guys know what car this is, drop it down below. Leave me a comment. And try to guess what car that is. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around. If there's anything else interesting here at the museum, I'll definitely show you guys. But I think this might be it for the Route 66, because up there is the, looks like some sort of galaxy and space stuff. And there's a gift shop. We'll probably look around. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.
That's Sonic.
Goodbye, museum.
What part of the interior?
Scored lime soda and I got a coffee mug. So hope you guys enjoyed the museum. I know I did. It was pretty cool, nice quick stop. But now we're on our way to the next stop. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Check out this GTO. That's right by the Gemini Giant. So that's the Gemini Giant right there. This was put up in kind of recognition of the space endeavors of the 50s and 60s for the United States. Beautiful. So if you can't hear them, the front seats are from the newer GTOs. The back seats are, I don't remember, maybe from the back or separate bucket seats, but beautiful car. Absolutely fitting for the Gemini Giant. That's disgusting. Sorry about that. Just noticed it was on the super wide view, so it had more of a fisheye effect. So it's on the linear one now. Okay, that's perfect.
Thank you guys. Come back and see us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good, how are you? This is cool. All the guitars. I didn't think there was a place here. I thought it was just the regular Gemini Giant. I didn't think there was a building next to
This
it.
is a restaurant that they built back in 1956.
Okay.
Take a look here. This is the original building, right here. And this building is still in this building. This building is right here. This area right here.
Okay.
All they did is over the years they kept
Added onto it?
adding on and adding on and adding on. But it dates back to 1956. This would be the grand opening day. And they flew out country cowboy star Hopalong Cassidy to cut the ribbon that day.
Wow.
And collectively, for 50 years, these are all family members. They ran this very successfully. And in 2008, they sold it to a guy who, in 2 short years, crashed and burned the whole business. So the building sat vacant for 7 years. No heat, no air, no utilities, nothing. We came through last October. This is myself, Tully, and Holly. We bought it. It was in bad shape. The engineer said it was a teardown. And we said, nope, we're going to slowly save it on our own dime. It'll take time. And this is where we're at 7 months in. We've got outside looking good. We got a gift shop, a welcome center behind the wall. We're working on the kitchen now. We're about halfway done with the kitchen. We'll have it open late fall.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
Yeah,
place.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That's for you.
Oh, thank you.
We've been around since 1956. The building, yeah, the building was the family ran a successful.
If you guys are in the area, check them out.
The guy back in 07. Crashed and burned the whole business in 3 years. So this building sat completely vacant for 7 solid years. We came through in October, the roof had caved in, everything had crazy. The walls were just.
This is a really cool place. I'm actually glad this whole tour is actually, we're actually doing the tour today. So that's beautiful.
What a fun place.
Love that smell. Oh. Alright, so that's where we parked. We're finally at the historic 2-cell jail.
Apt place for you to lock you up and throw away.
No! How are my subscribers going to see me? Well, you can just take over, right?
I'll just take the channel.
Oh, okay. All right,
Change it
that's good.
From what is it? What is it? Monty LSP6. We're gonna change it to Accord EX 2.4.
Yep, that'll work.
Or guy with cars and drums. That'd be an interesting YouTube channel.
That would be. There's your YouTube channel right now. What was it called?
Guys with cars and drums.
Guys with Cars and Drums.
Guy with cars and drums.
Guys with Cars and Drums. If you want that to be his YouTube channel, drop a comment down below or like the video.
I do both of those things. I drive cars and also play drums.
There you go.
This could work. I feel like there's something there.
Shh, we're gonna lock him in there. We're gonna lock him in there. we'll come back every now and then for some food, and then locked you in there. So
You know, see, I say these things and then I regret them.
we'll bring you some food. Looks like you got some bunks in there and stuff like that. So
I got a place I can, you know, relieve myself.
here. We can be like on an episode of Lockup where you're like the prisoner and then you get the camera.
Bye.
So tell us how
What
life
up?
is in Nate.
I'm TJ now. So yeah, look at this. So apparently, 1906, Gardner, Illinois. Fun fact, Gardner is actually my hometown, just in a different state. So all my homies from Gardner, Massachusetts represent. So here we go. The finest of fine. I was talking about TJ, of course. Dude, this place is janky. Super janky.
All right,
Here.
We'll let you out on good recognition here.
I'm out on good behavior. Well, how's that out?
You're free. Oh, so there's two. Oh, okay. 2 cells.
Oh, there's a registry? That's cool.
Oh, they had cameras in 1906.
Welcome to Gardner.
That's pretty crazy. Look at the cots. Can you imagine? Like at one point, this actually housed criminals. Isn't that insane?
I can't believe they only had 2 in here.
Yeah.
That's law records back then.
That's. I mean, it's crazy. You got a piss bucket and then cots, stove for the watcher to keep you nice and warm, radio. Oh, we'll take one of these guides.
That's
pretty cool.
This true story is so
We're not that far away.
You don't want to get locked up?
No. I was just trying to fix the goddamn maps.
Oh, well, that sounds fun.
Not really.
Let's go check out that 50s diner over there.
Yeah.
His bravery
For the train
turned
station at
Medal
one
of
point or
Honor.
something?
As a result,
I don't know. I don't know the history on this. What?
Don't you know everything?
Only when I want to, I guess. I don't know.
I feel like I just found out that Santa Claus doesn't exist. Hell, man.
I wish you can go in here. It's locked.
Oh, you got food in there, man. I wonder if it's still good.
Do they?
Yeah.
I doubt it.
You don't think it's gonna be stale?
I don't know. I got a good feeling. I feel like
I try it.
probably good food.
Well, that's
I get
pretty
some eggs
cool.
on that plate there. Those look delicious.
Oh yeah. Oh, can you go in there?
Hey, let's find out.
There's a little infogram there.
Oh, it's locked.
Very
Damn it.
well. Yep. Not too bad.
Look at that. That's cool. Jim Girat's Riviera. Let's drink and eat on US 66 at the bridge. Cool. Well, there you go, guys. That is the whatever restaurant this is. So hope you guys enjoying it so far. I picked up a Route 66 guide. So after this, we're gonna head out to I believe a Texaco gas station, and then we're gonna go get some lunch afterwards at a Route 66 restaurant. So the tour continues. So hope you guys enjoying the video so far. If you are, please like the video for me and hit subscribe for more content. If you've been on this location before, hit or drop a comment down below. I want to know when you guys were coming over here. She's like, watch out, careful, Mustang. Don't want to get ran over. That was a good one. Yeah.
Everybody hide!
So we're gonna end here. The video's not gonna end here, but we're going to end here with the visit, and then we're gonna work our way down to the Texaco gas station, and then we'll just resume, you know, when we get to the next stop. So
All I could hear for the entire thing was just.
it's that cutout life.
That cut out like. It's good, man.
Yeah.